Meaning of fightback.
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 Fightback. The term fightback refers to a response or reaction to an attack, opposition, or challenge. It embodies the idea of pushing back against adversity and resisting any form of subjugation or oppression. In many cases, it involves a collective effort by a group of individuals who are united in their objectives and work together to achieve a common goal. The result of a fightback can vary, depending on the nature and scope of the challenge, but it generally involves overcoming obstacles and achieving some measure of success or progress towards the desired outcome.